So Green Scene, we're always wanting to keep up to date with the latest and greatest technology and tools for measuring and photographing properties and things like that. We're probably one of the first pool builders to embrace drone photography. I remember doing a series of articles with Pool & Spa News and Aqua Magazine about drone photography. And I bought my first drone. It was very expensive then. And I was working with that. And it turns out that drones don't swim well. And I learned that lesson not just once, but I crashed the first one and sent it sinking to the bottom of a swimming pool. So of course I bought a second one and wasn't any better at flying that one either. So I crashed that one. Yeah, these are like $3,000 a pop. And then finally, my third one I crashed as well. So my wife put her foot down and declared I'm no longer allowed to drive the drones at all. And now today our website is full of beautiful drone photography, but none of it that I've shot. It's all been work that we've subcontracted to other photographers who are actually talented at it. It turns out my skill is not in controlling electronic anything. In our earlier videos, when you look at the drone photography, you can see the drone shadow. You can see me trying to fly it. It's quite funny, and of course we've gotten better at it, but it hasn't been me.